Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making a true Nigerian classic, Akara. Okay, so I have here black eye peas, from Amazon groceries. Okay, so that's what I have here. So all I did was pour this in a bowl, add some water, soak overnight. Okay, so now we are ready to start. So I'm going to show you how to take out the skin from this beans before we start. So I have here one very large bell pepper. I have one onion. I have 4 habanero pepper. I have seasoning, and I have salt. That's all you need pretty much. So let's go ahead and start. So we're going here with the beans. So to remove the skin from the beans, you go on your blender, just press pause. You're not blending it, you're just taking out the skin. So after taking out the skin, you're going to wash it. So repeat the same process until you take out all the skin. So guys, that's how you take out the skin from the beans. So now I'm going to pour this into the blender and blend it for our Akara. Since in the blender right now, I'm going to go ahead and blend it. So I'm going to go ahead and bring in my bell peppers. Bring in my pepper. I'll use 2 first. If I need more, then I'm going to add more. Onion. And seasoning. I'm going to blend everything together. So I'm going to come here with a little bit of salt. Cover and keep blending. So now that you're done blending, you're gonna pour everything into a bowl. Another very important step when I'm making my Akara, I'm gonna use my hand mixer to fluff this off. Okay, so I'm gonna get the perfect fluffy Akara once I'm done. I'm gonna go ahead and start frying now. Up close, really beautiful. And just to show you, this is a scoop. This is the size of spoon that I use to scoop the batter. there you go with our delicious akara. So easy and so delicious. Look at that goodness. So delicious, guys. Pairing this akara with custard. I'm going to come here with hot water. There you go. Go in with some sugar. Go in with some powdered milk. You want to add a lot of milk to this. A little bit of hot water. Okay. Come in with more milk. Yep. Because you want the custard very creamy. A little bit of water. And there you go with your custard. So here you go, guys. A classic Nigerian breakfast. So you have your custard, you have the akara and scrambled egg.